This is 3 side we have done. Now we will rotate our neck for 2 times, once from right side and once from left side. Exhale and bend your neck slowly. Inhale and exhale it from left side. The same we will repeat in the left side. Okay. The uses of neck exercise are, it helps us to reduce the fats which will surround our neck, and also it helps to reduce the stiffness in our neck. We will move to our next part, that is Surya Namaskar. We will perform 2 Surya Namaskar, one from right leg and one from left. Just please follow me. We'll do from this side. 1, 2, 3. Take back first right leg. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. We'll do again the same, we'll repeat for the left leg. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I tell the uses of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar helps us to reduce the weight. It helps sugar level down. It only not helps to reduce the fats of one part of body, but it helps to reduce the fats of all the body parts. Next, we will perform our 2 standing asanas. Please just everyone perform with me. We will perform Vrikshasana. Take your leg, keep on your thighs slowly. Relax. Inhale. Up your hands straight. Turn your hands and join. Can you see Vrikshasana? Don't practice Vrikshasana in such way that it will just be in a one way, because you have to balance both the body, actually weight must be balanced in one way, not one particular, this weight must be left on one leg. Another leg. Keep your hands straight. Relax. And in the final posture, you have to breathe normal. Relax. Back to the standing posture. I'll tell the uses of Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana will help you to make your leg muscles strong, anklets strong. It will tone your legs, and also it is helpful to the people who work all the day by standing, and also it's very useful to the dancers. Next asana we'll do is Uttita Parva Konasana. Stand straight. Stretch your leg to 3 to 4 feet. Turn left. Slowly exhaling. Bend your knees. Keep your hand next to it and turn. Relax. The same we'll do right side. Breathe normal in the final posture and relax. Now I'll tell the uses of Uttita Parva Konasana. It also helps to make your thighs, muscle and anklets strong, and it will tone your legs, and it is very useful to reduce the fats of the belly and also the hips. Now we will start our performance in the sitting postures. We'll do first Paschimottanasana. Straight. Straight your legs. Slowly inhale and lift your both the hands. Take few breaths. Bend slowly. Inhale and exhaling. Bend slowly. Hold your toes. Or even you can hold your hands back, right? And just inhale and bend slowly. Exhaling. Relax. I tell the uses of Paschimottanasana. Very helpful to reduce the fats of the abdomen, and also it is helpful to stretch your hands properly to get the energy in your hand. Next we'll do is Ustrasana. Come to the Vajrasana. Stand.
All the participants, please mute
Your
your
both
audio.
legs on the waist. Sorry, keep your both hands on the waist. Stand slowly. Bend slowly. Keep your hands on.
Shreya Lakshmi ma'am. Can you Can you please unmute once again? Unmute. Unmute yours only. I can't hear you. Please unmute your. Okay.
Now,
Okay.
now can
Carry
you,
on.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah. I'll again show back the Ustrasana. Please come back to Vajrasana, everyone. Can you stand? Kneel down on your knees, hands front. Keep both your hands on the waist. Bend slowly. Keep your hands on your feet. Relax. Breathe. And relax. Sit back on the Vajrasana. Now, I'll explain you the uses of the Ustrasana. We see many people face the drooping shoulders. They have this way their shoulders. Can you see me? And also they have a back which will be hunched. This asana will help them to make their back straight and shoulder straight. Next is I show Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is to be called as a mother of all the asana. First, let us perform the asana. Then I'll tell the uses of Sarvangasana. Let's do it. Please follow me. Sleep. And both your hands back straight. Exhale and lift your leg. Take few breaths here. Exhale and take your hands down. Inhale and slowly lift your legs and back. Back straight. Relax. Take few breaths. Be normal. Come back in the sleeping posture. Hands back. Exhale and get up slowly. I'll tell uses of this asana. Before I tell the uses, let me clear. People under any surgery or medication, please don't perform this asana before you ask your doctor. Please take the permission of your doctor, then perform this asana. I tell the uses. This asana is very useful for the ladies, men, children, and all age of group people. This helps in this asana is very useful for breathlessness, piles, constipation, hernia, and so many other things, and also in the irregularity of the menstrual cycle for the ladies. Last one is Shavasana. Let's take the rest for the body. Let's do sleep. When you sleep, please see your hands. See, can you see my hands? It should be near your thighs, and take the distance in this way, measure, and this. And legs must be, close your eyes for few minutes. Complete, take rest for your body. In Shavasana, each and every body cells will relax. Relax. Okay, open your eyes. When we get up from this asana, you should not get up in very fast way. Rub your palms. You should rub your palms in this way. Keep on your eyes. And stretch your body. Join your legs and hands. Turn any side in this way, right or the left. Take your hand and get up. This is the way to get up from Shavasana. I'll tell uses. Shavasana is for relaxation, not for sleeping. Many people take a small nap in the Shavasana. Don't do that. Whenever you practice Shavasana, make sure you're just taking rest your body. You should not sleep. Okay? Veena? Hello? Veena, can you? Hello?
Yes,
Hello,
I am hearing you.